Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today I hope everyone has downloaded or everyone has logged in towards their REPL account, and now we are going to quickly start with our first program. So click on create REPL, and here I am choosing Python and I am choosing a name which is going to be maybe code um, class 1 because it is the first program which we are going to do together. And yeah, create REPL, and I have got a platform for creating the REPL. Now what I am going to do is today we are going to learn how we are going to print an statement to the computer. Like if we want to print something to our computer, in Python we are going to just write print followed by two brackets and then followed by double quotes, and you're going to write anything. Star. So this is a very simple print statement. Since I'm going to print words like a string, I'm using the double quotes here for starting and ending of the string. I'm just going to run and see the program, and yeah, can you see it has printed hello Pythonistas. Now I can say you that the same print statement can also be done with the help of single quotes. Yes, and I'm going to run and show you. This also works, but the combination of both single quotes and double quotes is not at all allowed. Like if I am going to write starting with double quote and ending with single quote, if I am going to write something, then I will be thrown up with an error because mismatch of quotes is not allowed. If you're going to start with single quotes, end with single quote. If you're going to start with double quotes, end with double quotes. This is the main thing in a print statement. And if you want to print a number, then you no need to write the quotes. If you want to print a number, maybe 3, don't need to write a double quotes or a single quote. I can write as it is because it is considered as a number. If I am going to print uh, 3 itself inside quotes, then also it will print, but it will think it as a string, not an integer. What will affect by thinking it 3 as a string or integer is it comes with the help of two numbers. If I am going to print 3 plus 4, I will be getting 7 when I print without quotes because it is computing as an integer and it is giving me the answer as 7 while printing. The same thing if I am going to try to print within double quotes 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4, sorry, it is going to print me 3 plus 4 itself because it is considering it as a string. So a string will be absolutely printed as it is in the program and it will not compute any values. This is the difference between the print statement with double quotes and without double quotes. If you want to print two different strings, then what you can use is you can use the concatenation operator, which is nothing but a plus operator. If I'm going to write hello, and yeah, I can come out of the double quotes, I'm going to use the plus operator and I'm going to use world. So this will print you as two different things together. If you want a space, then you should have a space inside your double quotes itself. Then only it will be giving you a space. Can you see? This is a concatenation operator, the plus operator. When you use it after double quotes, it will concatenate two strings. Just imagine I want to concatenate a string with a number. Hello, and then I am going to write the plus symbol, and now I am going to write the number which I need. Now if I run and see, it will be throwing an error for me because we can concatenate only strings but not the integers with the string. So if you want to print something like different data types like a string and an integer together, then instead of plus operator you are going to use the comma operator. If you use comma, then it will be printing hello and 3. And in comma operator, a space also comes by default. You no need to put the space inside the double quotes or the single quotes. I hope this print statement is quite easy and quite understandable now. Now coming to the next topic, which is called as comments. In Python, we are going to use comments with the help of hashtag. If I am going to use hash and write something, then it will be totally ignored by the computer. If I run the program, it will be totally ignored. Comments are something which is used for our own understanding. In future, just imagine that if you're going to write more than hundreds and thousands of lines of code, you can't memorize each and every line of code and what is the functionality that particular block of code are doing. So at that particular time, we use this comments. So if we are going to add two numbers, then we can just use this comments and say add two numbers, and then in the next line I can just print the addition of any two numbers, 3 plus 4. So we can easily understand that the line number 11 is going to be addition of two numbers. So hashtag is used for commenting in Python. If it is going to be like more than one lines you need the comment, you can use hashtag for all the lines, or what you can do is you can also use something called as tree double quotes. It is a doc string, but it can also be used as comments when it is like more than one line. What we are going to do is you can either use three double quotes or three single quotes just before and after the comments. Here I am using three single quotes, and yeah, at the end of completion of comments I am again going to use three single quotes. If we are using like this, it is also acting as comments, which is like multi-line commenting. So you can use either way of comments. Either you can use the hashtag, or either you can use the three single quotes or three double quotes together. Both of them will work. And yes, friends, I think that's it for today. I hope that you are very much now familiar with print statements and comments. And it is very simple, and moving forward, we can cover all the topics one by one. And yeah, this is Shravanthi, and welcome back to Pythonista again. Bye.